middle of what I need to do. Okay. This is Connecticut Credit Union. It's just our online banking. We have a corporation. So it's called Hollis org. And I'm going to log in here. And again, the reason I'm doing this is not to impress you. All right. So 106,000. You can see we had two deposits here. 81,438.37 and 731. So there's 8 different ways we got paid. We got paid 7. I'll show you. But the only reason, again, I'm showing you, and oh yeah, we do have 2 Tesla lease payments. Not bragging again. And so what I want to do is correlate or show you that these deposits, I don't know why we live in a world right now. Can you still see that, Craig?
Yes, we see My Daily Choice screen.
I don't know why we live in a world today where people won't ask somebody for their documentation. It's mind-boggling to me. And so I'm going to just log into our affiliate back office here. There we go. And then I'm going to go straight to earnings. And you can see 83,492. And then I'm going to scroll down just a little bit. And you can see that 81,438.37 and that same weekly 731.63. Now I'm going to click on earnings summary here. And you can see you'll see the Globus bonus pool. You'll see our binary check of 48,800. Then this was 309 people that we check matched at 15,000. Rank management. This is management of 10,000. Terry and I, there would be another one if we hit another rank, but we had $191,000 we made in rank money. And then we also get customer mastery here. So those are all the ways that we get paid on a monthly aspect. And then this is our weekly pay. So our weekly pay here, you can see I got paid on a customer and weekly pay of $706 on all the people that came in that month. Now, the reason that I'm showing you guys that is, again, not to try to impress you, just to show you that, man, this really, really works. So now I'm going to go. So there was I forget, a little over 306 people that we check match. So now I'm going to go to reports here. And I'm going to click down at new rank reports. Now it's in December, so I'm going to go to November and search. And you can see here, got Hemp Does Work, got Coach Bob on here. You can wave. And I got Esther here. She's from Hungary. But I want you to look at all these countries that are here. This is Monica. So every one of these ranks I'm showing you here got this person here has received 4,100 in bonuses, upfront bonuses. So of course the 10Ks get $1,000 bonus. Of the 5Ks, we got 14 of those. They got on top of their checks an additional $500 bonus. And then here 1,000. So there's Jerome Marshall. I think that he's on here. Congratulations. And we got 55 1Ks. Now, again, the only reason that I'm showing you this, you guys, is just to let you know that, it's just not Terry and I making money. There's a lot of people making money. So you get the same back office and also a mobile app. I'm going to stop sharing just for a second. And then I'm going to share again. And if someone sent you the beginning of this video, I just want you to know that they ask for their affiliate link. And when you ask for their affiliate link, it's going to have their connection. Now, once you become a free affiliate, you get one just like it. So we have the income disclosure here that you can look at. I'll show it briefly on the screen. Because in America where we live, they say that I can't tell you that you can make money. All I can tell you is how many people on here, if you raise your hands, you can go to, gallery view. How many people have received a check from this company? Raise your hands. All right. So pretty interesting, So now if you clicked on this affiliate link, it would take you to becoming a free affiliate, and you would simply click on becoming a free affiliate, put in your first, last name, just like you did with Facebook, put in your email and phone number like you did with Amazon. This username has to be something available, so put something in there so everyone can see that. Ownership name is your personal name. Later on, if you form a corporation, you can put that name in there. Create a password. I believe that it has to be 8 characters, at least 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, and some kind of character. Click the 2 I understand and certified, and enroll. And that's as simple as it is. So that was documentation beats conversation. I believe that every one of you should show your online banking. Oh, you don't want to do that? Great, then show mine. Show mine. So, just become a free affiliate, then